In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you can't invite crossplay friends to your team or party in Rainbow Six Siege. So the first thing you want to do is have a look in the top right to see which button you have to press to open up this menu. On PlayStation, it's going to be the triangle button, and on Xbox, it's the Y button. So your crossplay friends will be in Ubisoft Connect, and the first thing I recommend you try is actually removing your friend from your friends list and re-adding them. So what you want to do is highlight their name and press the right trigger on your controller, and you want to remove them from your friends and re-add them, and then invite them to your party and see if it works. Now, I've read online from some people who have also experienced this issue to close out of this section. Then you want to press the start button on your controller and go to options. And from here, you want to scroll down. And what you want to do is try toggling off crossplay matchmaking and applying these settings. And when you apply these settings, what it's going to do is essentially sign you out of the Ubisoft Connect and Rainbow Six Siege servers, and it's going to reconnect you. Then all you simply want to do is turn crossplay matchmaking back on in the same section, and then see if you can invite your friends to your party. Now, I do recommend your friend also do this as well. I've seen both people do it and it's worked. You could also try restarting your game as well when crossplay matchmaking is turned off, and then try turning it back on in game to see if you can invite your crossplay friend. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.